Here we have a 2023-2024 Corolla hybrid Ascent Sport hatchback fitted in black water resistant canvas. Front pair have separate headrests, access to the height adjustment control on the driver's side, airbag provision on the door sides of the front backrest. Rear seats are a 60-40 split, 60 side behind the driver's side. You can see the backrest still split fold, separate headrests, armrest with drink holder provided for, access to the ISOFIX controls on the base, and being a Toyota hybrid, seat cover allows for all the hybrid interworkings underneath the seat. Top tether points accessible on the back of the backrest as well.